hotel. We just got in. This is like the front door. And then you walk in and I'm just gonna zoom out. But we got a double-ish bed. And then we got a single bed. And then we got a couch. I haven't looked at the view yet. Oh wow, look at that view. Yeah, that's our view. And then we got the bathroom, but I'll show you that in a second. We have the bathroom. Toilet bidet. Double sink and then a big shower. That's our hotel. We're in Time Out Market, so we're looking at all the food places here. This place even has cooking classes, which is kind of neat. We found Luke and Brooke, and then Blake and Becky. She's eating good. The pink street. We're now here in the dark. Oh, we must follow the minions. I don't know where we're going, but taking lots of photos. Slay. Brushing his teeth
with candy.
Is it hard?
Yeah.
It's so good. Up the elevator here. Look at Superman. In the cellar, there's like a gym. Got some bathrooms. This is our hotel, by the way. There's just like a lounging area, stairs to nowhere. So random. Zinnia finds it too scary. This is like the lobby. This is where we came for breakfast. We've got a chocolate croissant with ham and cheese, and then we got Pasteis for dessert. And then we got galaus, and I got apple juice. This is my first ever course.
Yum. I could see how crunchy it is.
We're roaming the streets again. We're just about to go to the bank. And then we're meeting up with Blake and Brooke and Luke again. And Becky and Cruz. Tiny steps. Oh gosh.
Oh, coming now. That'll be fun.
It's okay. Now going up this another set of stairs. These are cute. We're at the top. Got the main street. Take a picture? Yeah.
When you go to the lighthouse up on the top,
Yeah.
that's how we do this. All the way up to the lighthouse.
We're now in Belem, walking around. We're now at here. I don't even know what this thing's called. Oh, we're here. All about all the, by the marina and the bridge. Where's everyone? Oh. There it is from the side. It's so big. Yeah. What's Blake doing? Little workout set before we keep walking. Check in. So busy here. Is it cold? Oh wait, there's jellyfish. Oh my god. That one's cool with the little like thing. Oh, we're at the Belem Tower. It's such a long line. We're not going inside. It's like 2 hours.
This one, they don't stink. Oh yeah, those are some of them.
The olive trees.
November they're red.
So many olives.
Hello, I like olives and children.
Oh. We have the cool cathedral. We're just gonna go get lunch now though. Slay. So we've come to Dina's restaurant. We're gonna get food. Oh, it's giant.
Oh, look at the Kanaka.
So my compadres and
They got sangria. There's like giant glass. You know what? How does it taste?
No, I'm good. I'm good. Do you want?
how this design on me too.
First cut.
I don't want to taste. This is so less flavor. I don't want to
Oh, look
taste.
at that.
What salad? That's a salad.
What's the salad?
Is that already has salad?
You seem unsure.
Very good.
Good?
Very good.
How's it taste then? Does it taste good?
It's really good.
Good? Awesome.
Is that your salad?
It's really good.
We have finished lunch and now we're going to explore the monastery. Now inside. It's the courtyard. The dragon. We're now going to the jail. Just kidding. So we're now going to the jail. Oh, that's a pretty window, Blake. That's pretty. open it. Oh, I saw someone open one of those. It was really creepy. I think they opened like that one. All the gold. Oh my god. On to the Pasteis de Belem. We're now in Pasteis de Belem. We're inside of one of the many rooms. We're gonna eat some stuff. Second Pasteis of the Belem. Ready? See. Oh, better? It's different than the other one I had this morning. We're now leaving to go back on the train. And then I don't know where to next. Subscribe to on the train. He's gonna sit. Roman outside. I don't know where.
What time is it?
Oh my god, it's so pretty here. So this is our gross hotel view to go to our back alley room. But our flight has been delayed 3 hours and 40 minutes. So we're gonna miss our second flight. Breakfast. We're having breakfast because we can now that we have our flight in 4 hours later. We got a croissant, chocolate croissant with strawberries. She got this. In like 30 hours because we've been flying for 30 hours and we're still not home. Our first flight was delayed like 4.5 hours and then we missed our connecting flight because of that. And so we got on a new one and then the air conditioning broke on that one, so we had to wait another 2 hours for them to fix it. And now we're in Vancouver and it's 3 a.m. and they don't have flights right now, so we have to wait till 6:40 in the morning and then we can go home. But I'm tired. We could have done a later flight and got in a hotel, but I'm just too tired and I just want to go home. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. We're like the only ones in the airport right now. I almost dropped my bag. For 5 hours, it's daylight, and we're about to go on I was about to say the flight. It did get delayed another hour, so we're leaving at 7:45 to hope to be home by 8-ish. So yeah, ready to go home.
Je m'appelle Bianca, j'ai le plaisir de vous souhaiter à bord ce matin. Notre commandant nous a reçu un
It's gonna be 10 hours long because she's filmed 10 hours of clip.
I like.
And
I like turtles.
like and subscribe, so thank you very much.
I like.
Bye.
Little.